Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the drive files sharing to the right level. Make it anyone with link or add specific emails so access is predictable. Once done, open the file, click Share, and copy the full share URL to your clipboard. If you prefer a cleaner QR, consider a shortened link. It reduces characters and slightly improves QR density. Make sure the link opens the exact view you want, because the QR will point to that URL directly. Now go to a reliable QR generator and pick URL mode. Pasting the drive link immediately encodes the destination. You should set size, like 500px for print, and pick an error correction level. Higher correction lets the QR survive minor damage. Preview the code to confirm readability, and download as PNG for digital use or SVG for crisp print. If you used a shortened link earlier, this is the point where the QR ends up simpler and often scannable from farther away. Finish by testing the QR with several phones and apps. You need to confirm that the file opens without permission prompts. If something goes wrong, make sure the share permissions allow the testers access and that you copied the exact URL, no extra characters. For print, use high contrast and leave a quiet zone of at least 2 cm around the code. This avoids scanning errors. One troubleshooting tip: if scanners reject it, lower the data density by using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.